Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Questrade Questwealth portfolios. Review my usage experience. Questrade Questwealth portfolios offers robo-advisor investment services. It's designed for investors who want a hands-off approach to managing their portfolio, aiming to achieve their long-term financial goals. Key features include automated portfolio diversification, rebalancing, and low management fees. Their website provides details on the different portfolio options available. Questrade positions Questwealth portfolios as a low-cost, easy-to-use robo-advisor. They emphasize transparency in their pricing structure, with no hidden fees, and the ease of setting up and managing your investments online. Their website clearly outlines the different fee structures. Availability is limited to Canadian residents, as far as I'm aware, and you can check their website for eligibility details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Questrade Questwealth portfolios. Getting started was incredibly straightforward. The onboarding process was smooth and intuitive. I was able to create an account and link my bank account in less than 15 minutes. The interface is clean and uncluttered, making it easy to navigate. I particularly appreciated the clear visualizations of my portfolio's performance and asset allocation. I found the process of adjusting my risk tolerance incredibly simple. It uses a slider that clearly shows how your allocation changes depending on your risk level. The performance has been consistently in line with my expectations, given the relatively conservative portfolio I selected. I had a quick question about tax implications, and their support responded within 2 business days via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated rebalancing. It takes the guesswork out of managing my investments. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, although their website is mobile-friendly. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Questrade Questwealth portfolios. It's a simple, effective, and transparent way to manage my investments. That's my overview of Questrade Questwealth portfolios. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.